Do you think?
Excellent.
Yeah.
Very good.
I added in a little bit more seasonings. I wanted to, I don't know,
Spice
build it up a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a lot of good flavors, just the right amount of heat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, excellent. Mm.
Okay, if that doesn't make me happy. Hi everyone, I'm Amy Roloff, and I'm in my little kitchen. We're gonna make buttered chicken. You can use chicken thighs or chicken breasts. I had chicken thighs in my refrigerator, so that is what I am using. But a cup of Greek yogurt. I use Greek yogurt because that's what I have all the time. We're gonna incorporate some of the seasoning. So I got cumin here, 3 teaspoons of cumin. We're gonna add fresh ginger, minced up fresh ginger. But this is garam masala. And I guess that's a traditional spice used in Indian dishes, but oh yeah, it smells so good. I'm gonna go 3 with this too. Turmeric, oh my gosh. Turmeric, this is it. We're definitely gonna add in a teaspoon, maybe just a dash more. And I'm just gonna add in a few red pepper flakes. Here I've got my ginger right over here. Definitely a teaspoon. Well, we're gonna say 2. I wanna make sure the yogurt gets all in there. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, let this marinate for about 30 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up an onion, or what onion I have left here. And I think I'm gonna chop up some cilantro, or if you don't like cilantro, maybe a little parsley. Okay, I read over my little notes that I made for myself, and I forgot the garlic. Of course I want garlic in this dish. I've got about 4 garlic cloves here that I'm gonna try and chop up, mince up. So we're gonna head on over to the stove here. I'm gonna turn this on, heat up my pan a little bit, because we're gonna get going on the chicken. It's been in the refrigerator marinating for about 30 minutes. Let's just scoop this chicken on here. We're gonna save all of this because this is all gonna be incorporated in the sauce. See how it's bubbling up? Just let it sit there and then you can kind of flip it all over at the same time. I'm gonna get ready and just check it out here. Oh yeah, it's starting to brown. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna kind of flip these all over. Let them continue to cook and sear on the other side. Okay, there we go. I was really hoping that I wouldn't spill this all over the place. So let's get the onions going here. I'm gonna turn off the fan here. I'm going to incorporate my 2 cloves of garlic additional, along with, I don't know, this is probably only a half a teaspoon of ginger. If you want to add another teaspoon, I think that'll be okay. Oh, then we're going to add in the seasonings. Maybe another half a teaspoon of cumin. I don't want the pan to be too hot. Probably another teaspoon of garam masala. Just a little bit of turmeric. Just a little bit of that. Say about 1/4 teaspoon. Just a dash of red pepper flakes. We're just gonna kind of incorporate the tomato paste with the spices and the onions. Some coconut milk. Whoa! Boy, it all came sliding out. Okay, let's break this up a little bit. Oops, sorry about that, people. I'm using one hand to do the camera and another hand to, let me add this chicken in now. So we don't have a little bit of yellow and red. You guys, I'm loving this. So I'm gonna add in some, this is the time that you wanna add in your cilantro or parsley, whatever you want. I would prefer cilantro, but I did not have it on hand. I should have. And so that will add a little bit of color, flavor, subtlety, but it will still add. And then I'll reserve just a little bit to sprinkle on top. So I'm just gonna let this sit for another few minutes. And I'm gonna bring you guys over there because I'm gonna dish this up, take a bite. Oh, luscious. I'm gonna see if I have any naan bread, N-A-A-N, I think, naanin bread. We'll see. Okay. Look at this now. Oh, so good. Yeah. This is gonna be great over rice. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but the rice is steaming. We are ready to eat. So let me get a different spoon. I'm gonna go ahead and dish up all of this goodness. You can pour it totally over the rice. Or just a little bit over the rice and the rest on the side. It's really up to you. Hopefully Chris will like this. Get a little more of that juice in there. Oh yeah. Okay, oops. I've got to make this look pretty. Sprinkle a little parsley on it. Fresh parsley. I didn't really have naan bread. I wish I did, but I didn't. So we're just gonna use this. It's pita bread, really. I'd prefer the other bread, but I thought I had it, but I didn't. There you go. That's what's for dinner tonight over at Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. So I hope you follow me on my YouTube channel at Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. This is butter chicken, easy to make. It is so good. I made it for the first time before when we had a friend over. They loved it, so I had to make it again for myself and Chris, but also for all of you. So I don't know what your version of it is, but this is kind of like mine, and I think you can definitely shake it up a little bit. But also you want to be true to the culture, to Indian cuisine. So hopefully I did that here. I don't know, but it's good. I'm going to bring Chris on down here, so we're going to taste it. So anyway, Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, from mine to yours. Enjoy. So Chris was upstairs. He's planning our trip to Alaska with a few other people. So he's been doing a lot of reading, catching up, finding out our route, figuring out our route and things to do. So I'm pretty excited about that.
Mm-hmm.
But
and I worked up an appetite.
Yeah, finally it's done, huh?
Finally, yeah. Only an hour and a half later than she told me.
You know, it takes a little bit of time doing other things and doing the video. But anyway,
it'll be worth the wait.
We've got good food here. This is butter chicken, so check it out over at my YouTube channel, Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen. Mm-hmm. I want to see if it's as good as I made it the first time.
Mm-hmm.
Do you think?
Excellent.
Yeah.
Very good.
I added in a little bit more seasonings. I wanted to, I don't know, build it up a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, a lot of good flavors, just the right amount of heat. Mm-hmm. Yeah, excellent. Mm.
Okay, if that doesn't make me happy. So from my kitchen to yours, till next time, keep gathering. Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen.